Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So if you are working on the NHS, your contract is ended or your contract is extended. So what you have to do, either you change your NHS trust or your contract is extended. What you have to do, you have to apply for the visa again. So if you have applied for the visa again, definitely you have received the new BRP as well. So please keep in mind the number of the BRP from your old NHS trust or from your old BRP number was different from the new BRP. Either it was given after the extension of your visa, either it was given after the update of your visa because you have changed the NHS trust. So what you have to do on the Home Office website, you have to update the new BRP number and you have to update the address as well if you have changed your NHS trust. So in this video I am going to tell you people that how you can update the new BRP number on the gov.uk website, on the Home Office website, and how you can change the address on the gov.uk. When you receive your new BRP, you have to update the details on the Home Office website, and after the update of the details, you have to return the previous BRP, the old BRP. So let's move to the laptop screen. I will let you know that how you can update these details. So there is no link in the description. What you have to do, you will go directly in your email box, and in the inbox you will search for the email from the Home Office, and you have to search for the email, which email that you received after your application of the skilled worker visa, either the extension or the update. Extension mean if you are working with the same employer, or the update mean if you have changed your. So here you can see that your application under the skilled worker visa route of the immigration rules has been successful, and you are allowed to stay in the United Kingdom until August 14, 2024. So this is very important. So this is very important email. If your application is successful, you will receive this email. Please read this email at least 1 or 2 times thoroughly, because all the details are given over here regarding your BRP, regarding the change of your BRP number and your address. So it is given. So it's saying if you have the BRP from the previous grant of permission, like if you have the BRP from the previous trust, you use that old BRP to create the account on the UKVI website, and your old BRP is registered document for your login details. So you have to update your BRP now, because after the issuance of the new BRP, your old BRP is expired now. So you will click on the link given in this email, update your UKVI visa and immigration documents. So what you have to do, you can update a lot of things over here, like you can update mobile number, email address, name, identity document, either passport or the BRP. You can update home address as well, but we are going to update only and only what we are going to update address and the BRP number. Another important thing before going further, who has the UKVI account, you will have the UK visa immigration account if you have applied for the visa and use the UK immigration ID check app. If you have used that app, definitely you will have the account. But if you have not used the app, you went for the biometric appointment, there is a different way to update your BRP number, and there is a different way to update your address. So this video is if you have used for the ID check. So sign on your UKVI account. This is the link given at the end of this email. So update UK visa immigration details. We will log in and we will sign in, and then here it's saying what identity document you use in your application. I used BRP, biometric resident permits. Click on the continue, and then he is asking about the biometric resident permit number, the number of your old BRP, not the new one. Putting your old BRP, put your date of birth, click on the continue button. So this is very important. Click on the email, either phone number, they will send a code and you have to enter your code over here. When you will enter your code, so this page will open in front of you. It is showing that these details are for Faraz Ahmad, and yes, these are my details. What you want to update? First I am going to update my BRP number, then I am going to update my address. So let's update the biometric residence permit number. So I will select this identity document and then I will update the address. So let's select the BRP. I am going to update this. Click the identity document, click on the continue button, and here you can see, have your personal details changed in your identity document? No, details are not changed. So before you continue, you have to read these things. Upload a photo or scan your new identity document with the MRZ number. This is the back side of your BRP. Then you have to check the photo and scan, meet the requirement, check the details are correct, submit your request. Click on the continue button. So first of all, what type of identity documents you are adding? Biometric resident permit. Click on the continue, upload, and take the photos of your biometric resident permit. Your photo should be very clear and it should be focused without any glare and the reflection. You can see the sample here. Click on the continue button. So here without the Here upload the side without the MRZ, that is the front side of your BRP. Upload the side with MRZ, this is the back side of your BRP. So this is front side. Now I am going to upload the back side of my BRP. Select from your gallery or from your computer, click on the continue button, enter the biometric resident permit number. Here you have to enter the new BRP number. Please keep in mind, here you have to enter the new BRP details. After entering the details, click on the continue button. What is your name? Enter your name, give your details, and before proceeding check your details before you continue. If your details are okay, you will click on the submit and the continue button, and in this way your BRP number has been updated on the UKVI account. UKVI website, your BRP number is updated. In the same way, you will again, when your identity document has been added, it will be updated in few hours, or sometime it can take 1 or 2 days, but they will send you a confirm email, yes, your update BRP number has been updated. Now we are going to change the address. In the same way, you will select from the A, and here we have done the identity document. Now we are going to update the address. So we will click on the contact details to update the address. Over here, click on the contact details, click on the continue button, and here you can see which contact details you want to update. I am going to update the address. Okay, so this was my previous address, 7 Hartleyburn Terrace, Melrose. So now I am going to change my address. Click on the change, and here you can, before you continue, what you have to do, so this is very important point. Before you continue, it's saying that this link will update your address only on the UKVI account. If you have other applications for the British citizenship or any other application, you have to update your address there separately. We can update home address and the courier address. So is your new address in the UK? Yes, it's in the UK. You will put your postal code over here. After your postal code, you have to find the address, and you will click on your address, and you will click on the continue. After this, it is this also home address? Yes, this is my home address. This is my postal address. It is the same. And when you started living over here, you will write the month and year, and you can check this address again. If it is okay, that is okay. If you want to change anything in the address, you can change. Then after checking all the details or your date, then you will confirm and submit button. So here you can see that you have submitted your updates. It's mean your postal address and your home address has been updated on the gov.uk website.